end. My will never bend. Damn right I'm the one. Damn right I'm the one. Burning brighter, hotter than the sun. With no horizon, no end is gonna come.
I'm in my boxer shorts because even that little one, like my skin's burning. I didn't think it was going to be that because it's quite warm today. It was always been freezing and raining for a few days. It's nice. Loved it. First one. We got it as well. Jimbo starts today.
So I bought a 25-foot river cruiser project, Birchwood 25. That's pretty cool.
Oh dear. Oh fucking.
So there's water coming in somewhere.
Bit of water in it. But look at that. She's mint. Got to cook that. Hob. It's got a sink. Taps. Glasses. That one is. Proper cosy in that. Look at that, man. It's proper toilet. That's your bed at the front with your settees, and then this is a bed as well, I think, over here.
Right, now I'm going to get the pump out and start pumping some water out this beast. I think that's going to happen right about now. Actually, no, it's not. It's going to happen right now, because it's me dubbing over the top now, right now. The Sea Tiger. It's got a 1.6 petrol cross-flow engine like you used to find in old escorts.
Looks fucking pretty good to me, like. Definitely need a professional water. Look at that. Some fucking water's flying out. You can see the floor. You can literally see it dropping, look.
Yeah. Ford Escorts, that is, not the other type there. Ford Escorts. Yeah, put that straight. Fuck now.
Forged in steel, built to last. Damn right I'm the one. Damn right I'm the one. I'm like the road that never ends. My will.
Big shout out to everybody who's still watching. Remember to like and subscribe, and I'm making episode 2 as we speak. So stay tuned, it'll be good. See you all soon.
Burning brighter, hotter than the sun. With no horizon, no end is gonna come.
See you in the next one.
there.